What's up, my bomb and subscriber squad? Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome. I'm TonyaNicole, and welcome to my bomb ass unboxing world. Today, boo, we have the Allure beauty box for the month of June, and I am so ready to get into this baby. So, if you guys want to see what's in June's Allure beauty box, y'all know what to do. Stay tuned, boo. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you got in your Allure beauty box. What's up, guys? Welcome back, or welcome to my channel. I'm TonyaNicole, and I'm very excited that you guys click that button to watch your girl today. Today we have June's Allure beauty box. I don't know what the hell is inside of this box. I didn't see any spoilers or anything, but I tell you what, she's feeling a little heavy today. So I'm definitely excited about getting this open. Before we do all of that, I want to give a big, huge shout out to my 5 first commenters from my last video. Thank you guys so much for rocking with your girl. Y'all know I love y'all so much. Thank you guys. And today we still have our Moscato that we had from our last video. So let's take a dance break and a drink break. Ooh. Whew. Okay, y'all, it's hot still. If y'all see me sweating, y'all already know what it is, okay? All right, so let's get on into the specs of this box and unbox it. For you guys that do not know, Allure is a $15 per month beauty subscription. It is free shipping and no taxes. I get my box through Amazon, guys. You get at least 2 full-size products in every box. And it's supposed to be 5 or more makeup and skincare items in each box. They also include a mini magazine with tips and exclusive offers for you guys. And it's supposed to have a $70 value. So I'm excited, y'all. So without further ado, let's get this box on and poppin', boo. All right, guys. So it comes like this in this cute little white box. We're gonna lift the top up. And it comes with this mini brochure, like I told. Ooh, wait. Okay. Comes with this little brochure here that lets us know everything that is in the box, as well as the full-sized price. Okay. I want to dig in because I see some stuff in here. Okay. So the first product we have is from Belief right here. That's how it looks, guys. And this is the True Cream Aqua Bomb Aloe Vera Cream right there. Cute little sample size. And in here you get, how much do you get? 10 milliliters of product. Oh, look at the top. That is so cute. I love that. I do like Belief's products. They were introduced to me in Allure, and I have been loving them. Oh, it doesn't really have a scent. It has like this green inside there. Let me take a little hit. Oh, I love like a gel cream moisturizer. Oh, I love it. Let's see. Oh, yes. It feels so good. So hydrating. Doesn't smell like anything. Oh, I love it. Let's see what it says about this little product in our booklet. So the full size is 50 milliliters. And we have 10 milliliters of product in here. And for the full size, you can get it for $38. Okay? I'm very excited to use this, y'all. With aloe, I love it. It just makes your skin so nice. It just repairs it. Ooh, beautiful. I love it. Next up, we have from Yensa, and this is the Super 8 Lip Oil right there. That's what it looks like right there, my loves. And let's open it up. And it says this is a tinted lip oil, gorgeous even color, leaves lips with a killer shine, gracefully aging. Oh, girl, it has a graceful aging lip nourisher in here, infused with 8 super oils to hydrate your lips. It's lightweight, non-sticky, and it helps minimize the appearance of fine lines. Okay, boo, y'all know I'm all about looking forever young. Oh, this has got to be a full size. It's beautiful. Look at that, guys. Gorgeous, gorgeous color. Oh, I'm gonna open it and put it on my lips. Oh, it's hard to open. Okay. Ooh, it just looks so fancy and so expensive, huh? Look at that, y'all. Smells like Laffy Taffies. Let me put some on my lips. Ooh, okay. It does feel oily. That's what it looks like on my hand. It does leave me with a little bit of a shine. It's not sticky. And it does feel good on my lips. This will be good as like a night oil right before I go to bed, or to put on right before I do my makeup. And this is the shade Pink Shine, guys. The packaging is gorgeous. Love this. And let's see what this retails for. And this is the Yensa Super 8 Lip Oil in Pink Shine, and it retails for $28, guys. Next up, I am seeing, oh, this is so y'all, holy moly, from Dashing Diva Gloss. This is an Ultra Shine Gel Palette. Holy crap. Y'all know now, I don't know if y'all noticed, but I'm starting to polish my own nails. I haven't been to the nail salon since they opened back up because I'm a little nervous about that. So I've been polishing my own nails. But y'all, these are some, what do you call them? Salon gel is 34 strips. It includes a nail file and instructions. Oh, wow. Y'all, let me open this so I can show you guys. I am very excited. Normally, I don't want a nail polish, but I would like nail stickers. Oh, this is so cute. Look at that, guys. That is so cute. And on the back, they give you the how-to instructions, how to apply them, how to take them off. And it comes with 34 in here. And it also gives you some instructions right there. And this is what it looks like, guys. Look at that. These are like diamond, well, I mean, it's stickers, but it gives you that illusion of like crystals and diamonds, all kind of nail designs. I love this. I guess you would call it a neutral color. The little stickers up here, gorgeous. So I don't have to paint my nails. I could just put these little stickers on them, and it comes with a file. I'm happy to receive this, really. Let's see what this retails for. And this, guys, is the Dashing Diva Gloss Ultra Shine Gel Palette, and it retails for $9. Next up, girl, we have this full-size product from Purlisse, and this is the Watermelon Charcoal Purifying Cleanser. It gently cleanses skin, removes makeup, and purifies and energizes the skin. It's for all skin types, and this is what the box looks like, guys. And you get 100 milliliters of product in here. Ooh, I'm excited for this as well. Oh, look at the packaging. It's so cute. This is what the packaging looks like right here, my loves. And let's see if it has a safety seal. It does. So I will not open this, but I'm going to read about it on the back. It says on here, watermelon and charcoal purifying cleanser is infused with white tea and whole oat to gently wash away dirt, impurities, and makeup in one simple step. This soothing, multitasking cleanser leaves your skin pure, clean, and free of toxins without stripping the skin of its natural oils. And I am so happy to get this because I do need a cleanser. And let me see what this retails for. Girl, we got a full-size cleanser from Purlisse. This retails for $18, guys. Allure Boo, even though you don't have a lot of makeup in this box, I am feeling these products. Yes. All right, Allure, let me take a drink for you. Next up, we have from Shangpre. This is a gold black pearl eye mask. Okay. We get one pair up in here that I've never heard of this before. It says enriched with black pearl, gold, and rose ingredients. This advanced concentrated essence helps improve improves firmness, smooth fine lines, reduces puffiness, and diminish dark circles for brighter and more youthful looking eyes. Wow. Okay, cool. So we have a pair of eye patches, and y'all know I'm all about the eye care. I love for my eyes to not be wrinkled or look old. So we will definitely be using this, and let's see what it retails for. And this, my loves, is like the sample. The bigger size retails for $60. And in that one, you get 60 patches in the full size one, and this is just one pair. So the pack of 60 would retail for $60. So $1 a pack. Ooh, $1 a patch. And I have one more product in here. stuck to the bottom. And the last, guys, we have the Star Skin Nourishing and Brightening 2-Step Oil Sheet Mask. Okay. Ooh, this is what the packaging looks like, guys. And step 1, you're going to cleanse your face and pat it dry. And you're going to tear this oil capsule off. Step 2, you're going to break the capsule, massage a few drops of the oil onto your face. Step 3, you're going to tear open the mask, remove the protective layer and discard. Step 4, apply the mask onto face and leave on for 15 minutes. And then you're going to throw it away. And then step 5, gently pat in remaining serum. Do not wash. Wow. Okay, I'm very excited to try this capsule and the mask out. I've never seen this before. Y'all, I'm excited to use this. Let's see what this baby retails for. And this is the Star Skin Nourishing and Brightening Mask, and it retails for $10, guys. All right, so that was my final product. Let's quickly recap, do final thoughts, and we're gonna be done, boo. We received from Star Skin this mask here, from Perlice this purifying cleanser, from Sang Pre this eye mask here, from Dashing Diva these nail stickers here, from Yensing this Super 8 lip oil, and from Belief this gel cream. So it's 2 for 6 products for this month. Final thoughts. Okay, so yes, Allure was all skincare this month except for the nail gels here. But I must say, guys, I am super duper excited about this box. I am excited to use this lip oil, this cleanser, these gel strips here, the eye patches, the mask, and the Belief cream. I must say Allure came all the way through for your girl this month, and I love it. I know I'm not like a super duper skincare junkie, but I do love skincare that's quality and good and great for my skin and worth my while. Like, y'all, I'm just so happy about this. And this is like the cheapest product in the box, but I don't care. I'm so happy about these. Y'all have no idea. I cannot wait to play with this, but I am overall pleased with my box. Make sure you let me know down in the comments below what you got in your box and if you enjoyed your products. I know a lot of people get theirs later in the month, so just let me know when you get it so that I can know if you have the same products as I do. If I had to rate this box on a scale of 1 being this box is garbage during a damn tropical storm, to 5 being this box is thebomb.com, boo, you know what I'm saying? I'm giving Allure for this month a whopping 5. Yes, TonyaNicole said a 5 for a skincare box, but I enjoyed the products. I am looking forward to using them. I'm super duper excited. So there you have it, guys. A 5 for Allure. Thank you, Allure, for making this month so bomb ass. I loved it. So that's all that I have, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video with your girl because I truly enjoyed unboxing it with you guys. I hope if you have not done so already that you would subscribe and be a part of our family. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, guys. Also follow me on social media. All of those links are down below. And that's all that I have for this video. I will see you guys in the comments below and on my next video. So guys, until next time and next video, you guys be blessed. Stay safe. Cheers. Bye, guys.